Hello viewers, myself is Dr. Vadiraj B. Kangur, Assistant Professor, Sri Jagadguru Tondavaria Government First College, Mundaragi. In this video, I am dealing with the thermoelectricity concepts, and among that it is 10th series of lecture about thermoelectricity. This is for BSc program, physics subject, and for it is for 4th semester, and this is 10th session among the thermoelectricity. Learning objectives. To know the concept of thermoelectricity, to understand the concept of Seebeck effect, experimental facts of Seebeck effect, concept of Peltier effect, explanation of Thomson effect, thermoelectric state diagrams, that is temperature of inversion derivation, and applications of thermoelectricity. Session outcomes. Perfect knowledge about thermoelectricity, clarity of Seebeck effect, experimental thinking of Seebeck effect, knowledge about Peltier effect, clear-cut understanding about Thomson effect, thermoelectric state diagrams, applications of thermoelectric state diagram, applications of thermoelectricity. Prerequisites. Concept about basic terminologies of thermodynamics, concept of heat and temperature, basic laws of thermodynamics, basics of current electricity, thermoelectric state diagram, applications of thermoelectricity. And this is complete syllabus. Contents of this discussion is introduction, Seebeck effect, experimental facts of Seebeck effect, Peltier effect, Thomson effect, derivations of thermodynamical equations of thermoelectricity, thermoelectric state diagrams, all those things we have covered in this one last session. We know thermoelectric phenomena is two dissimilar metals are kept at two different temperatures, can be explained by three effects called Seebeck, Peltier, and Thomson. And last application among the thermoelectricity is application of thermoelectric diagram, among that temperature of inversion. The temperature of hot junction at which the thermo EMF is minimum is called temperature of inversion Tn. If the temperatures T1 and T2 for iron copper thermocouple be such that the neutral temperature Tn lies between them, then the thermoelectric EMF will be represented by the difference between the areas USN and RNL, as these areas representing opposing EMF in a particular case. We know neutral temperature is T1 plus T2 divided by 2. These areas equal and the resultant EMF is 0. Now T2 represents for iron copper thermocouple. So to find out the temperature of inversion, this is the process. Or if we got the neutral temperature, double the neutral temperature is nothing but the temperature of inversion. And applications of thermoelectric state diagram. So state diagram is the graph between thermoelectric power versus temperature. We have divided in two cases. One is cadmium, zinc, copper, iron with the iron thermocouple, and in the bottom diagram is we are drawing platinum, mercury, and cobalt, nickel thermoelectric couples. Now applications: thermoelectric generators, cooling computers, drinking waters, recharging devices, space probes, solar power, low power remote control system, nuclear power stations, automotive TEGs. Temperature measurements. Thermocouples and thermopiles are used to Seebeck effect to measure the temperature difference between the two objects, one connected to a voltmeter and the other connected to a probe. The temperature of the voltmeter and hence that of the material being measured by the probe. Applications: Seebeck effect. The Seebeck effect is used in the thermoelectric generator which functions like a heat engine. These have a use in power plants for converting waste heat into a additional power, a form of energy recycling. In automobiles as automotive thermoelectric generators, ATGs, for increasing the fuel efficiency. Space pros often use radioisotope thermoelectric generators with the same mechanism but using radioisotopes to generate the required heat. Peltier effect. A Peltier effect can be used to create refrigerator which is compact and has no circulating fluid or moving parts. Such refrigerators are useful in applications where there is advantages over weight, the disadvantages of their very low efficiency. Environmental friendly, recycles wasted heat energy, reliable source of energy, scalability, lower production cost, silent in operation, simple, compact, and safe. Disadvantages: low energy conversion efficiency, requires relatively constant heat source, slow technology progression. This is all thermoelectricity chapter. Thank you one and all for